Hey guys, it's Kelly. Hey, I did a couple cute cards using the Simon Says March 2022 card kit, and I thought they came out cute, so I thought I would share. I made one and I thought, oh my god, that's so cute. I colored the little bunnies, so I had to make another one. So that was the first one. Those little bunnies are so cute and they require very little effort to color and make them look nice with the paper pack that came with the card kit. But I'm sure that you have some other ones in your staff too. I have the sniffles. I'm sorry, you will hear me sniffling. So I'm just showing you that this is the 6x6 piece of paper. I cut it in half and I have two 3x6 pieces of paper. So what I do is I just cut off, I think it's just, I think it's a half an inch. Yep, half an inch. So I just cut that off and then I literally just flip it over, line it up perfectly, and put some Scotch tape on the back of it and make it happen for my card front. Super quick and easy. And it will cover the entire card front. So so this will literally be my panel that I use for my card. So I just used some Scotch tape and made sure I lined it up with no gaps. I probably used more than I needed, but I'm all right with it. And there it is. That's the cool thing about the double-sided paper. You know that both sides will match. So those are the peel off stickers from Love from Lizzie that I'm all about lately. I'm so glad that I bought those. They're very affordable. I highly recommend them. Definitely adds just such a great finishing touch to the cards. And I have to thank Christy Marcotte for showing that on her cards because I was jonesing for them. She was just, it's such a great way to like blend those two. And then you can ground little critters and things like that. So just a great thing. And the stickers, they stick. You know, you don't have to put glue behind them. They stick very, very well. So there's the panel, easy peasy, super fast card. The video is just short of 9 minutes, but there's some fussing that happens. But there's the stamp set that is included in the kit. And what I decided, again, just to keep it very, very simple, I've got that light yellow space at the bottom of the card, so why not just stamp it directly? You know, don't be scared. You know, the whole reason why I stamp it on a separate piece of paper is just in case I screw it up. But you know what? I just decided to go for it on this one because if I screw it up, then I'll stamp over it if I have to with a piece of paper. But stamping directly on there is something I don't usually do, but I'm glad I did it on these cards. It turned out nice. So I'm using my Tim Holtz platform. I've had it for, I have that and I have my Misty. And I like to bust this one out every once in a while. It's a little bit smaller. So for the smaller jobs, I like to bring this one out. Sorry about my big old head in the way there. I just lined it up to where I can see it. Put it in the corner. Put my magnets on. And bring it down. Pick it up. Make it happen. And I've got sorry, here's my head again. Sorry. And that is the Gina K black ink that I really, really like. It was just the closest one I could grab. I definitely like my VersaFine ink as well, but they all work. I stamped it a couple times, and this stamp positioner works beautifully. It works very, very well. I probably could have used my sticky grid to keep that down, but I just didn't feel it was necessary. The magnets do a really good job. And then what I like to do is clean up that stamp. I stamp it down once. I've got my hand sanitizer that cleans it up very well. I use this all the time. You can see it's not filthy dirty, and it's because I just used my hand sanitizer to clean it up super fast. And then I use the same microfiber towel to wipe off my stamps and keeps it nice. Easy peasy. I'm all about it. And I don't want my ink to smear. That ink can sometimes stay a little bit wet a little bit longer, like the VersaFine ink. So I make sure to just hit it with my heat tool real quick and dry it. I pre-cut a piece of vellum. I just kind of eyeballed it. I think it's about like 1, 2, maybe 1.5 or 1 3/4. I'm trying to see it on there, but I'm terrible with measurements. But yeah, I cut out all the fussing with the foam tape because I had to cut it on the ears, real small pieces. So I just wound up cutting that out. You all know how to do that. And then I just put the glue on the vellum behind the little bunnies, because if you don't, it'll show through. And after it dried, the vellum lifted up just a little bit, but I was able to bend it all right back, no problem. But that was the only thing that I was like, ooh, gosh, that's a little, I wish there was a way to get it down a little bit better, but it's okay to have it floating on there. It just makes it look even more, I don't know, dainty and, I don't know, and fragile. So there it is. My panel is done. Super quick and easy. I had things pre-cut for this. So we'll do the inside as well. But I did get these stickers from Love from Lizzie as well. Again, I'm not paid by Love from Lizzie. These are just products that I purchased with my own money. And I share the products that I love to use and ones that I newly discover. So those little hearts are really, really handy to have. We always use hearts for all kinds of reasons. So there is my 6x6 piece of white cardstock, and I just went ahead and hit it on my score pal and folded it and made my card base. I'm really, really loving these mini slimlines. It's such a great, I don't know, it's just the perfect size in my opinion. It's not too obnoxious if you receive it and you want to display it, it's not too obnoxious, and it's not too big of a space to fill in. I don't know, I'm really enjoying them. But this is for the inside, so I just have a very light purple cardstock and then white cardstock on the front, and I just matted it, and I'll fill the inside of the card with that. And you can handwrite. I don't put anything on the inside. I'm kind of a fan of just, handwriting what you want, and it makes it more personal. I could decide later if I want to put something in there, but I left these blank. So I just filled it in on the inside. And then I had to cut off some extra on this one, I think. Just used my big scissors and cleaned it up a little bit. Really, really small amount, but it was worth fixing. And then I took my heart stickers again, just to kind of mirror and continue the theme with the front of the card into the inside of the card. And I put some hearts on the inside. So I hope that when I upload this, it's not quite as blinding white when it's uploaded, because it looks a little blinding, but we'll see how it goes. But it's just 3 little hearts. There's 3 different sizes in this sticker pack. It's so convenient, guys. I love them. I'm really enjoying having them. And it's just that extra little thing that I wanted on here. It's not too much. It's not too little. It's just the right amount. And there's my panel. It holds together really, really well with just a Scotch tape, and it is just, flat, butted up against each other, and it holds its own. And it will, like I said, it will cover the entire front of the card. So I've seen a lot of really cute cards from the March 2022 Simon Says Stamps card kit, and this one I haven't seen one like this, but lots of other inspiration out there, so check it out too. But I hope that this one at least inspired you. You make me feel so happy every day. That's just a card for whenever you want. And that first one with them kissing, I added little eyelashes on there too. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And see you next time.